53. How many provinces in the Philippines? I don't know how many. Believe it or not, 81. Abracalinggo, Ororo, Laguna, Maguindanao, Ifugao, Isabela, Aklan, Impasiran, Sulo, Biliran, Liti, Cagayan, Bulacan, Palawan, Batanes, Batangas, Bohol, Guimaras, Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, Capiz, Bigabidaan, Basbate, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, Tarlac, Tawi-Tawi, Cebu, Salangali, Camarines Norte, Sorsogon, Composite Navari, Quezon Zambales, Camarines Sur, and Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Sibugay, and Besur, Abay, Saboga del Norte, din, Des Pampanga, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, and Camiguin. These are the Philippines provinces. Yeah, we're Pinoy in the world. Come from one of them, mabuhay. These are the Philippines provinces. In our 7,107 islands. Yeah, the following